Hi, this is a quick intro to the Dash SDK notebook for those who don't have a Dash. First thing we do is click the Bluetooth link and open an additional tab which is able to do the Bluetooth connection. We turn the robot on and it should appear in the Bluetooth device chooser. Once we click to pair it, we can go back to the original notebook. When this notebook is able to make a connection, it will play the jet taking off sound. So now we can use AWSD keys to steer Dash manually, or the arrow keys. My kids find these much easier to use than the touch controls. We've also got these sliders which change like the lights and lots of different things. You can also drive it manually with the sliders as well. Underneath the sliders is the sensor readings. This one's an array of the 4 button states, which are true or false. Tapping the buttons updates the state in real time. Dash has also got these infrared proximity sensors, so you can change them as well. And this is pretty cool, the wheels have wheel encoders as well, so without actually sending any commands you can read the rotation of the wheels. It's also got a gyro, so you can see its pitch and roll, sensing its tilt and whatnot. So there you go, I'm very excited to have this wired into Observable.